Yo, it's Lost, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notification, comment down below any song, video, or whatever that you want me to react to, man. Right here, we got Duke Dennis getting girls with a flip phone, man. Part 2. I didn't even know that he be doing shit like that, but fuck it, man. Let's get into it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that shit. Fuck it, man. Maximum quality. Nah. Put that bitch on auto, man. Make sure the internet off on my phone. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that maximum performance, man. Let's get into it, though. You feel what I'm saying? Also, man, forget, man. The Discord is down in the description. I'm gonna be leaving the Discord link down in the description, man. Look, bro. As soon as I woke up, I literally did all of this, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got the private chat, the private channels, and things of that nature. My friend, he's finna do the bots. You know what I'm saying, bro? That shit took me like 2 hours right here, bro. This shit, nah, it probably didn't take me 2 hours. I say about maybe like an hour to an hour and a half. This shit took me right here, man. That shit really hurted me, man. I can't believe that nigga really fucked up my Discord, man, all the time. But let's get into it today, man.
Hey, you see that right there? Hey, look. Pay 10. You ride 8 seconds, you win $200. So I'm gonna ride it, bro. Is it hard though? Have you did it?
Say hey to myself.
What's up with it, Snell?
I'm just that fan.
What's up with it? Have you did it before?
She want
Have
that
I
nigga.
done it? I'm just here assistant. I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride?
Change for a 20 is crazy, bro.
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
Yep.
D.
Hey, ride the hell out of it.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Duke.
Duke, calling him D-Block apparently.
Yeah.
He's going for the $200 challenge. On camera and all. Gonna be on YouTube.
How much they gotta write
Gotta
that?
get
How
on
long
there
they
and
gotta
find
be
out
on
for
that shit?
yourself. Get on up there, D.
Hold up, Duke. Don't get on it yet.
Alrighty now, young man. 8 seconds. One hand only. Can't touch or grab the bull. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bulls. Here we go. We got D. We got Willie. We got Willie.
That shit looks sus as
We got
fuck.
D. Oh, man, sir.
Bro.
That was 6.7 seconds, sir.
That lame as
I
fuck,
think we got a
bro.
phone somewhere Willie took.
Bro, he should have wished a car. He should have like gripped it with his legs,
That's
bro.
a secondary phone. I can tell what it is.
Oh damn.
Don't forget the trap phone, D.
Yeah, that's gotta be racist, bro. Chat phone is kind of crazy.
Have a good one, sir. Thank you so much. Well, I'm gonna be on YouTube now.
Really ride that motherfucker. You going there, bro?
Honey, says he's gotta help his friends get those seats. More
He
seats than
finna
gold.
complete that shit.
Alrighty, Davo.
Don't. Hey, it's one
8
hand
seconds,
though.
one
You got
hand.
one
Don't
hand, that
touch or
motherfucker.
grab the bull, sir. Let me get myself ready. You ready?
Oh yeah, he put his
Here
hand
we
all up in
go.
that bitch too.
Oh yeah, oh.
It's rougher. Oh shit.
No. No.
Yo, what the fuck? But it was rougher for him, bro. They made it like rougher when he hopped on it, bro. Cause Duke can't do that shit. What the fuck? That nigga.
Here we go.
Yo, they saw how he put how like much he like gripped that shit. That's so they made that shit tougher, bro. Nigga said,
Oh, no.
yo, nigga damn near twisted his arm, bro. That's funny as fuck.
4 seconds flat, sir.
Hey, they
But your
cheat-
dreads look great
Hey,
flying
she
in the
cheating,
wind.
bro. Oh, my mama, she cheating, bro.
You still good. Well, my picture got messed up.
We can be through that,
Yo,
though.
let me get the code. Get the code. Okay.
What the fuck?
Hold on. Is that you?
Yeah, I know. Which one you looking at?
Why she not holding on to him? She
8
nervous.
seconds, sir. Getting close, too close. Look at Willie shaking. Good
Nigga
job.
Duke, bro.
What you think, man? Think I should do it again, man?
Nigga Duke
That's
be-
$10
Hey, that
though.
shit a scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey, shit, you got it. Shit, you got it.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You gotta think it's a profit though. You got that's a profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $107 profit. Oh, okay.
Yeah. D-Block. Coming back on scene. Mighty D-Block.
Yo. Low-key bad as fuck,
Oh, yeah.
bro.
Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Hey, just don't flip me that
You
way.
sure you're ready? Alrighty, here we go.
He finna fall already.
Oh man, he left.
That nigga's shoe fell off.
D-Block. We love and appreciate you, sir. Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the
Nigga's shoe, bro. What the fuck?
He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
God damn. What?
Fuck in the mic.
2 hands though, I get that though. Like 2 hands, I get that easy. Like she really cheated me though, like type shit. That's all. I ain't tripping. Man, you think I'm tripping, man, on some shit like that, man? I'm tripping though. What you say, bro?
Bro, you gotta be all the girls. You gotta be all the Riz. I swear.
You ain't got no
You the Riz guy, bro. Hey, I put all the girls just doing this. I put all of them.
These niggas is fucking 8th graders, bro. These niggas is a bunch of middle schoolers that be playing Fortnite and shit. Just look at them, bro.
I gotta go.
Look at them. He doesn't even do it right, bro. He said, he don't even fucking do it right. Fucking weirdo.
You gotta be all the girls. Where it go? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail, please? Your Gmail, please.
The fuck?
Interview?
Yeah. Duck on him today. He on the duck on him today.
Great.
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
What?
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had. Hold on, how old you were, man?
15.
Nope.
Damn.
Oh, no.
Ah!
You talking about that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Oh, shit. Real quick. Oh, real quick. Alright, hold on.
Now, this shit reminds me, this dude who I went to school with, bro. He what's your car? Let me put my phone on D&D. Right, I put my flashlight on. What the fuck, bro? That nigga, he had a fucking flip phone, and he would be in class watching YouTube off the internet browser. That shit was funny as fuck, bro. Funniest shit ever, bro.
I ain't used one of these.
boy?
What's up, bro? What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though, no account, right? Look who third.
Okay.
Look who third. No account now. Yes, sir. Look who third. Hey, hold on. But that boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. That boy Duke did it.
Nah. Well, the one all the way on the left got it. The redhead, she got it. No
Man,
cap.
make sure y'all go subscribe. Don't do this, man.
Her right there, she got it. I ain't gonna hold.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. That was you.
She bad as fuck.
Beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Did she touch his? She touched that nigga dick, bro.
I just needed to.
Look at that. Look at the angle at which her arm is. You know what I'm saying? Her angle. Look at the angle from where her arm is. She touched that nigga dick, bro. 100%.
Be amongst some beautiful men.
No, I think she a smoochie, bro. She a smoochie. Oh, and she smoke. Yeah, she definitely a prostitute or something of that nature, bro. Cause just look at her.
No.
Too bad
She looked like that bitch Cheetah from GTA, bro. No cap. Damn.
you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
You guys are.
Chasing that
Social
A and want to
media.
save time?
Damn.
Really makes editing one
My
click
fault,
simple.
man. Niggas got ass around here, man.
Oh, you want my?
Smile.
Open up your IG. You know what? I would give you my number.
Look
but
how
I don't
she
give
did
my
that,
number
bro.
out
You
like
have to.
She crazy.
I don't either.
Oh yeah?
No. What's your name?
Hold on.
She smokes cigarettes. That's nasty.
Cigarette.
Who's these niggas on the side? The fuck?
Oh shit!
Oh shit.
I didn't see that coming.
That shit scared the fuck out of me, bro.
Got him. Everyone saw that I got him, right? Okay.
I was
Come back.
and then
Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat, man. That's crazy. Well, you know you look like what? The baby. Yep.
Oh shit, he do.
Yeah. Okay, do you have a good one? That's all I've been on these good. Really?
Nigga look exactly like the baby. He even low key built like the baby too. If he was like skinnier, bro, he looked exactly like the baby.
Next.
Next question. You looking for one?
No.
Okay, then that's a great question. You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though?
Yeah, not really.
Oh yeah.
Not really. I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
She get right away.
I know.
She get it right away because she got heels on.
Yeah, listen, I can have your number ready.
What's your name?
803?
That shit funny as fuck. They got a flip phone. She bad as fuck, no cap.
Y'all know who the fuck this is? Type shit, baby.
He just cock blocked. He cock blocked. Yo, he just cock blocked. Look at this shit. That's a Hall of Fame cock block. If you want to be a cock blocker, just take notes from this dude. Just look, watch this cock block. This cock block was immaculate, bro.
Y'all know who the fuck this is?
Yeah, that's why that nigga was like, calm down, calm down. Yeah, that nigga dude, he needs a mic though so we can hear him better.
Type shit, baby. Hey, man,
He just mans, bro.
Credit, man. Cut this nigga, man.
type shit. Yo.
Bro, that nigga just mans, bro.
My friend. Hey. Type shit. Too many fiends.
Hey.
Real ready.
Go tell my boy Big D about shit, man.
Big D block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on?
He said we're going. What the fuck? This nigga drunk. That nigga drunk.
So funny, bro. They got a whole ass flip on.
Hold on. Don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between balls right now.
Can we take a picture together? Yeah. Come here, man.
Hold on, what's your name?
My name Duke. What's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't want to.
Can't have my number. I work too many jobs.
Hold on. I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what I got 5.
You got 5. This count. You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see fuck. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama. I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? And you know I really love this blue on you, though. Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me?
Yeah, fuck blue.
Oh, fuck you. Man.
My favorite color red.
Yes, ma'am. What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
You got flip phone?
Oh.
I bet you dead.
You motherfucker.
That's some bullshit.
What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
The old man ain't doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the kings now.
Of course. I
Me and my
can't.
wife
I fuck with that nigga accent. His accent sound cool.
sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah?
We
I got about
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
See,
Hey,
that's
look,
a
I know it
blessing.
ain't much, but hey, look, it's an investment right there.
blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
51, 52.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
40. God damn, you about 73.
That nigga, he's stupid. That's not no 73. He said 1940. Do the math, bro. That nigga ate in his 80s, bro. How long ago was 1940? This bitch Siri said 15 hours ago. How long ago was the year 1940? 81 years ago, bro. That is crazy.
Hey,
82.
82. You look good as fuck, boy.
He do though.
Good.
This bitch stupid. If this nigga just said 82, why would you say 90s, bro? Do the math. If he's, oh man, what the fuck?
Cap, boy, you look too good to be 80 something, man.
My youngest child is 34.
Right here.
My oldest is 50.
If you
Oh,
80 something,
shit.
man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80 something.
Yeah,
Oh,
You
God.
look good, boy. I'm telling you, man, you look good.
He don't look old, like that old at all, bro. He look like he in like late 50s, mid 50s.
Ghetto, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, this would be a good advice point of view. Man, just chatting, man. But hell yeah, like, nigga, goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. But she was just on IG Live. And goddamn it said she was at I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch texted me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch!
Man, oh God, that's bullshit.
Hold on.
Dude, man, I need to get like you, man. What the fuck? Ooh, she in her little wiggle. You feel what I'm saying?
My goddamn photo. When she seen that curve, though, she done got that curve. Nigga cute.
Hold on.
Left side.
Hold on.
You just do a game side. I'm
They
scared.
had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen the dick.
Man, I need help, bro. I need
You guys
bread.
know how it is when you buy a new Mac.
Nigga like
Super
me,
fast at first,
bro.
then pretty soon after it starts
These
to
be
slow
have to
down.
do
It's
these
probably
ads
because-
and shit, man. This shit sucks. I ain't gonna hold.
Bitch was ready to stay in.
She was. Hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah, she said, y'all can go. I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q Rizzin her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in this phone.
Oh damn.
I was reason to know, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit, and then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, oh well shit, bitch. Whole time I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone like my messages and then the bitch talking about, oh you sell weed, all type of shit. I was like,
Damn. Wait, why would he give a damn phone though?
Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him.
Yo, what the fuck?
Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had there?
No way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. What's doing?
What's up with you, my buddy?
Oh, shit. Yes, sir. That boy, dude. Hey, that nigga dude got here. Hey, ain't no way, boy.
But that's the reaction that I'd have.
You know what, you stand good too, though.
He's not gonna run nut. That's the old school
Look, I wanna get me a turban or cap, man. Them hoes tough.
I ain't no youngin' out here.
I'm 48.
I ain't too far.
Right now, I'm single. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, you better go ahead and hold me. I am a grown man, man.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Certified.
My phone.
She thought he was looking at her ass. Yo, why that nigga walk up like that? Look at this dude. Where this nigga come from? That nigga literally lapped around, bro. That's sus as fuck. And he's looking at them and shit. And he stopped, bro. What the fuck he got going on? Well, he ain't even give her the flip phone. He gave her the real phone, bro. That's something, man.
Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is he recording this? Hey.
Whatever.
Well, he get my number.
Oh, that's her aunt, bro. Ah! Ah, that's crazy. That's funny as fuck, bro. She said he spent his Riz on my aunt. I'm crying.
Is he recording this? Hey.
Whatever.
That's funny as fuck.
Hey, you know what? Y'all definitely, you know what?
She just L-mans. Why you L-mans, yo? She L-mans, bro. What the, bro? That's L-mans of the century. Nah, fuck that dude earlier that was screaming, "Ayo, Duke, ayo, Duke." She with the camera. Yo, he spitting Riz on my aunt. Wow, bro. After that, a nigga like me, shit, oof. Nigga can't even say nothing, bro. He's speechless.
You gonna let him run his Riz on my aunt? He's running Riz on my aunt.
Aw, damn. Shit, he's still getting it though, so it's cool.
Hold on. You see right here?
He's still getting that. He's still getting that.
Oh, no. Look, I'm gonna test you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. You too.
Where the rest of the AMP crew at?
Oh, God, you ain't have to.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
All right, okay.
Yeah, she demanded that hoe.
What's your name?
Oh my God, am I AMP?
Damn, she bad as fuck, baby. Damn, that nigga dude.
I'm Victoria.
Victoria. Yeah. Okay, y'all from out here though?
Now we from Virginia.
Y'all go about about 6 hours? 4. Yeah, I heard 6 hours. Hey, man.
6, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh, yeah?
So that kind of, yeah.
Okay.
She about it. Fuck, man.
Oh my God,
Hey, don't do. Matter of fact, hey, come here, man. Let me get your number or something, man. Get your number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, what? You gonna?
I'm sorry. I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah.
She said she don't care. She want that nigga.
That's not true. She didn't even light up when you flip. You're just typing in randomly.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even C.
Oh, no. See, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was just making sure.
I was about to say that.
Because I pulled, it was dead. So like I had to, I don't know, shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yep, my brother, Bert, he is.
That's why I was there cool this morning.
I wish.
Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night too. Yes, ma'am. Yep, see, I told you. It definitely was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, type shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low key.
Yeah.
No, we not.
He with her again?
Probably, man. Come on.
That nigga do want her, bro. He want her.
No cap.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there, motherfucker.
Oh, that shit hard as fuck. That Itachi?
This
That
nigga
not
got
Itachi.
a
Akashi.
collared shirt on.
That shit tough.
That
as fuck.
motherfucker hard, man. Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just bought the camera. That's good.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know. Who is everybody?
Bro, that nigga dude, he was like, fuck, they know who I am now. Bro, if Gideon was in this situation, man, he'd be like, I got my Lizzos. Nah. If Gideon reacts to this video, he's like, bro, Duke, he's gonna be like, bro, Duke, what are you doing? You had all these Lizzos around you and you didn't do nothing? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? That's exactly how Gideon would be, bro. No cap.
You got a phone right now. I don't know him, like it, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like videos you do?
See, I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No.
nigga?
I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
Well, fuck it, you tell me.
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then
Well,
I'll
let's
do that.
go ride a horse.
Where you from though?
She said she want cloud. Hey, no cap, man. What the fuck? She scared me though.
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is what's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches is from, but I'm from Richmond.
Hey, calling the last girl the B was crazy, man. She can't
Okay,
be
put
doing
on
that,
Snapchat. Get
man.
my Snapchat. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got then? You finna hit me with them.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck that cheese. Let me see.
Ooh.
Dude,
She came out of nowhere and did that. She just came out of nowhere and did that, yo. What the fuck? Out of nowhere, bro. She just popped out the cut and boom. She said Che cheese.
I don't know.
It's crazy how they paused, bro. They paused right there too.
And I'm trying to get to.
Alright, come on, let me see the track. Fuck.
Yeah, what's your, I'll get out there.
She holding his. She just sniffed that nigga, bro. She just sniffed that nigga. What the fuck? She just sniffed that nigga. I'm crying.
Okay, I got you. I'm already knowing what this shit going. The fuck going on, nigga?
I need my TikTok to blow up.
Excuse me? You are too. What's your name? Jay?
Oh, we already.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, man. Where you from?
She nervous. She ain't giving no eye contact. She nervous as fuck.
Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man. I fuck with your hair, man. I've been trying to find Davo the whole time, man. I'm trying to find Davo. Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Damn. Everybody knows
So
that.
why you come up to me on it? Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh yeah, man. Come up to me, man. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, if you have girls like Duke and them shits is fake, bro, that is crazy, bro. That will be embarrassing for someone to come up with a diamond tester and them hoes is fake. Cause bro, Duke, he smiling like if I had girls like that and them shits was fake, bro, done, bro. Cause when I smile, my smile is wide as fuck, bro. My smile is wide as fuck, bro. So people gonna be seeing them and then they get the diamond tester and then see it's fake, bro. Never again, bro. Know what I'm saying?
I won't let her talk to you like that, bro. Me personally, no, I'm talking to my dog. Me personally, I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business, really.
Got me running down the fucking beach.
She touching all up on that nigga, damn.
Alright, come on. No cap. I'm over here sweating and shit looking for you. Deja.
Where did this come from?
Damn right. Boy, ain't no motherfucking way. Take my North Carolina.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, big dog shit. Big dog
What the
shit.
fuck?
Hey, why don't you come get this motherfucker from me? Stop motherfucking playing with me. Stop motherfucking.
Wherever North Carolina, wherever you from, I want to be from the same motherfucking place, man. I want to be from the same
You
motherfucking
do?
place, man.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. That's my nigga right here. Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what?
Come take him from me.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
We together from here on out.
Yo, we together.
Yep.
Come take him from me.
What's his name?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, our anniversary is May 28th.
May 28th.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
That's our anniversary right there, man.
Hey. I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary.
May 28th.
May 28th. That's today. Yeah.
We're about time. We got been looking for y'all, boy. What we got stepped on, bro?
Man, listen, everybody relax. What the fuck do care? I'm like, that nigga do it.
That bitch just blew my fucking mind, bro. You saw how she was all up on. She said, like, what the fuck, bro? All up on that nigga, hugging that nigga, shaking that nigga, everything, bro. Like, I don't know how that nigga just like stayed cool like that, bro. He stayed in character. Like me personally, bro, I'll just be like uncomfortable as fuck, bro. He said that motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie.
Move, I swear to God. Okay. Yeah, that motherfucker move, brother.
How y'all doing?
Yeah, for sure.
They scared. I ain't scared.
Oh yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God, brother. Hey, she ain't got no drawers on either. I can feel it. I can feel all of this right here. Like
she grinding on that nigga everything.
Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing the same motherfucking thing.
He said, bro, he even said she don't got no drawers on. Like, I could feel it. She got no drawers on. I'm fucking weak as fuck, bro.
What we on YouTube? What we talking about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Damn, I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, what we on YouTube?
Hey, you going on there? Say something right now.
Damn, I'm roll.
Hey, shout out Big 25, man. Yeah, we out this bitch with
that nigga sweating, bro.
Man, turn up on his trip.
Hey, no, I do got something.
I'm telling you. Hey, look. Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it on camera. Come here. All right. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. All right? What's your name? John. John? Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
I can't run across the shit. I'm there. I saw that. He got us from here. Bye. I'm sorry I went right now.
Yo, it just sound like a phone job.
You already know I was coming for. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're going to get married. I promise you. I promise you.
She looked like the girl from Ant Farm, bro. Sheena Annie McLaren. Sheena Annie, bro. She looked like Sheena Annie, bro. Just look at this resemblance. She looked like Sheena Sheena Annie. She looked like Sheena Annie. What the fuck? That's actually crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh, look how I'm maneuvering this tag. I'm fucking amazing.
I like it so much. So much. Like you're really about wallpaper.
Hey, who just said that? Get your fan girl having it. What the fuck? That's funny.
I promise you. I promise you. I like it so much. Like so much. Like you're really about wallpaper.
Oh shit, she got girls too. Damn. Damn, that nigga, dude, man. Bro, how much? Nah, I ain't gonna say that.
Appreciate y'all. Yeah, I want you in here too, though.
Y'all ready?
Nigga Duke taking family photos and shit, man.
All right.
I'll get you first and then back. Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones. I got Facebook, so I'm gonna hit you up.
He said hitting you up, hit me up is crazy, yo.
Did you get it?
Yeah, my bad, out for board. Alright, man. My bad.
That shit made me.
This shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you good? That jersey is born to sports. Yeah. Are we right here?
Nigga, I want me some girls. I ain't gonna lie.
Hell nah. Why not?
Hey man, I don't see you hit the flip before. I see you tomorrow. We gonna hit one of them.
Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on, you can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh God.
Oh yeah.
You got a slide right now.
I'll take the slides up. You take the slides right now. Oh God. You gotta do that shit with me.
No.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
Not no good shit. I ain't
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I just want to. I don't
bust my ass in front of all these people. I still don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck
What you want to hit with?
Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So hey, My dog is finna do.
Only because I seen him do that shit on the video. Bro.
Oh yeah. Type shit.
On the football.
Nah,
shit,
he gonna land that
and
hoe
shit
too.
slippery. If I bust my ass, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yo, I can do that.
This has to be it. Come on.
This the last ad of the
Thank
video,
you.
bro. Watch.
Now,
It's gonna be the
please,
last ad of the
let it
video, bro. We only got like 3 minutes left anyway.
Take off your hat, bro. Oh, no, your shit look good.
Shit ain't going nowhere, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. I look-key thought he was finna fall though. I ain't gonna lie.
that shit.
That's fucking cap. I will hold it. Clear the street. Ezekiel, go do your thing, man. Ezekiel, do your thing. Backflip, yeah. And the dunks. Oh, shit. What is that, boy?
Oh, I thought he was actually finna do some shit, man.
Yes, it is.
Niggas at the beach.
That's an 0100. I ain't know what the fuck you was talking about, though. Hell yeah. But it's a 24-hour fight.
The fuck? He taking like pictures for his Instagram. Probably.
That shit is crazy. Nah, that shit is crazy.
I got you. Hey, you gonna know who shot that shit. That's my slogan.
Oh, it's probably like, you know how you see those dudes on TikTok? They like be photographers and they go up to random people and take pictures. That might be what these people is.
Oh yeah?
You know who shot that shit.
Well, I'm gonna use one of them as my profile picture.
And I ain't gonna count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes only, bro. I really don't be rizzing motherfuckers' mamas up. And to be honest, bro, for all the TikTok people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit, bro. I am a regular ass nigga, bro. Alright, fellas. With that being said, man, I love all y'all still, though. Love all y'all. Love all the females who starting to support me, starting to watch me and things of that nature right there.
Things of that nature, hell yeah.
2 mil is on the motherfucking way, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm out, man.
Oh yeah, nigga, that's fire as fuck, man. Nigga, when I'm up, bro, 40K likes, boom. When I'm up, bro, they probably post these too, man. I don't know what's the call, bro. When I'm up, bro, I'm gonna be making vlogs like these too, bro. When I got me a cameraman, that little special mic thingy, I got, and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be making videos like this too. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I can make videos like this. What's your call? All I need to do, bro, I can make videos like this. I just need a job in the mic. You know what I'm saying? I live in Houston. I mean, I live in Baytown, which is close to Houston, which is literally like big as fuck, bro. One of the biggest states in the USA, one of the biggest states in the USA, you know what I'm saying? Houston, bro. I could literally, like, once I get a job, a car, drive down there, I could film everything, do the Walmart shit, because Houston is where Gideon lives, bro, and Gideon does all that shit stuff, too, so I could just do that shit, for real. But, yo, you know what I'm saying? That's it for today's video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below, you know what I'm saying? Go join the Discord server, you know what I'm saying, where you can get the updates, the chill, the vibe, the gaming, people to talk to, everything. If you are lonely, the Discord is for you. Trust me when I say that. If you are ever feeling lonely, the Discord, my Discord server is for you. We have a bunch of people in it, you know what I'm saying? Not everybody's active, but me personally, I'm active. You want to chill with me, talk to me, interact with me more, you know what I'm saying? I got people in there and things of that nature in there too. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Have a great day, morning, evening, night, afternoon, wherever it is you're watching this. Peace. Mwah.